Ramp FinTech Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get fintech solutions wrong. They assume expense management and corporate cards are complicated or expensive. The surprising truth about Ramp is that it's designed to save businesses both time and money through automation and intelligent financial controls, and you won't believe how quickly it can optimize company spending. Here's how it works. Ramp offers corporate cards with real-time expense tracking, automated receipt matching, and built-in analytics. It also provides smart insights on spending trends and suggests ways to reduce unnecessary costs. For example, a mid-sized startup can issue Ramp cards to employees, automatically categorize expenses, and detect duplicate or non-compliant purchases. Most people get this wrong. They think manual reconciliation is inevitable, but Ramp reduces bookkeeping headaches by integrating directly with accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite. Additional benefits include cashback rewards, vendor management, and policy enforcement, which help businesses maintain control over budgets. Users praise its intuitive dashboard, fast onboarding, and actionable insights that uncover hidden savings. However, there are considerations. Ramp is currently focused on U.S.-based businesses, and international cards are limited. Most people assume automation replaces oversight. Successful implementation still requires clear policies and employee compliance. In conclusion, Ramp is ideal for startups and growing businesses that want to streamline expense management, enforce financial policies, and save money with minimal effort. For efficient corporate finance, Ramp is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fintech solutions and business tools.